All right, so if you've ever mounted a scope and thought, yeah, this is probably close enough, and then just completely missed your shot, this one's for you. This is the Strong Tools Red Green Bore Sighter, and honestly, we wish we had done this sooner. We set up one of our rifles, and it didn't feel like wasting a bunch of ammo just trying to get it dialed in. This bore sighter made it super simple. You're gonna insert it into the barrel, turn it on, and you instantly get a clear dot to line up your scope. No more guessing, no let me shoot and adjust it 20 times. We tried both the red and the green dot. So here's my take. The red dot is great for lower light or indoor setups, and the green dot is way easier to see outside in daylight. And this was my favorite on our farm, actually. That green dot really stands out when you're out in the open. When you're outside and you're not setting up in perfect conditions, it's daylight, wind, distractions, real life, you're able to still quickly line up the scope, make my adjustments, and get it dialed in way faster than doing it the old way. This saved time, saved ammo, and honestly saved a ton of frustration. This has a rechargeable battery, which is a huge plus, so you're not constantly swapping batteries. It feels solid, and press switch is easy to use even when you're outside dealing with everything else. We were sent this to test out, and this would be perfect for hunters getting ready for season, anyone mounting a new scope, beginners who don't want to guess their way through zeroing, and experienced shooters who just want to save time and ammo.